kasi siya ng shorts, Jasmine.
Inay, lagi na.
I-disperse pa din, maya. Pero itong short, alam ko isa lang. Pination mo na. 50 pesos, Jasmine. Added one piece, size on top, large. Added one piece, large on top. Added one piece, large on top, 80 pesos. Code ng 11. Large on top, added one piece, code 11. Hanggang mga pa-XL, kakasyahan pa po yan ha. Code 11, code 11. Large to XL, added code 11, 80 pesos. Large to XL, added code ng 11 pesos. Large to XL, added 80 pesos. Large to XL, added code 11.
Inay, lagi na. Mika, sama ka.
Maganda po nito. Maganda po yan. Maganda yung mga large to XL na pinaflex mo. Ito size is small on top. Small on top. Added. Yung kailan nyo ganyan. Ganun po yung kailan nyo. Small on top. Added. At siya ina-adjust. Natali lang sa dyan kung gusto nyo. Kita. Ayun. Ito lang siya yan. Small on top padded. 50 pesos. Code ng 3-4. Small on top padded. 3-4. Small on top. Padded code 3-4. 3-4. Small on top. Padded. Code 3-4. Code 3-4. 80 pesos. Padded po yan. Small on top. Small on top padded code 3-4. Code 3-4. Code 3-4.
Ay, drabo.
Size medium on top padded. Medium on top padded. Medium on top padded. Code now 1-8. Code 1-8. Medium on top padded. Code ng 1-8. Code 1-8. Code 1-8.
Inay, na si.
Code ng 1-8. Hanggang large pa siya pa yun ha. 80 pesos code 1-8. Code 1-8. Hanggang large pa siya. Medium on top padded. Tangkini, padded underwear tangkini, 50 pesos, large on top. Large on top, padded underwear tangkini, 50 pesos. Code ng 2-3. 50 pesos, large, padded underwear tangkini, 50 pesos, 2-3. Large, padded underwear tangkini. Alice, PM na ba today? Alice, no PM, no mind tayo. No PM, no mind. Screenshot, Alice.